Check out this amazing 1950 Buick Super Series 50 Jetback Sedanet that features tons of modifications and beautiful maroon paint. This piece of art is chopped, nosed, sectioned, shaved, and features parts from some of its GM cousins. It has a 3-stage paint job that includes Candy Brandywine, blended with Dark Candy Brandywine, and then coated in clear. It has a 3.5-inch chop in the front that tapers past the rear window. The taillights and some of the trim are from a 53 Pontiac. A grille off a 53 Oldsmobile is on the front with a bumper from a 51 Buick. Under the hood is a 350 cubic inch V8 connected to a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. Get the details at classicautomall.com, and if you're in Morgantown, PA, stop by to see the greatest indoor car show in the world. Whether you want to buy or sell a classic, collectible, or special interest vehicle, you need to visit Classic Auto Mall in person or check everything out on our website for more information. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can chat with a professional who can answer all of your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media.